Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. The local time here is 45 minutes past 10 in the evening. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all your belongings with you and travel documents as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Customers traveling onward in first and business class are invited to use the exclusive payment transfer facility in the transfer hall. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today, and thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the World Alliance. Qatar Airways, going places together. Thank you and have a good evening.